Now, let me talk to you about the ACCA qualification. For the ACCA qualification, we talk about the 3 E's. The 3 E's. And these 3 E's are exams, ethics, experience. Exams, ethics, and experience. For the exams, we have 3 stages of exams. We have professional and ethical skills model, and we have practical experience requirements. Now, the exam is in 3 stages. We have the applied knowledge exams, we have the applied skills exam, and strategic professional exams. Now, let's start with the applied knowledge exams. Now, the applied knowledge exam tend to provide students with a broad understanding of essential accounting techniques. And the papers are Business and Technology, BT, Management Accounting, MA, Financial Accounting. So these 3 papers make up the applied knowledge exams. The applied skill exam tend to provide or develop a strong, broad, and practical finance required of the future strategic professional accountant. And the papers are Corporate and Business Law, Performance Management, PM, Taxation, and we look at the UK tax. We have Financial Reporting, FR. We have Audit and Assurance, AA, and Financial Management, FM. So what it is that we have 3 papers at the applied knowledge level, and we have 6 papers at the applied skills level, or at the applied skills exams. In total, you have 9 papers. So the applied knowledge plus the applied skills gives you 9 papers. Now let's move on to the strategic professional level. For the strategic professional level, these papers would provide students with a unique blend of skills, focus on the business environment, with forward-thinking professional accountants at the heart of these level papers. Now, the papers are Strategic Business Leader, SBL, Strategic Business Reporting. These 2 papers are the essential papers. And we have optional papers. The optional papers are Advanced Financial Management, AFM, Advanced Performance Management, APM, Advanced Taxation, and Advanced Audit and Assurance. What this means is that students are to take the 2 essential papers, the SBL and the SBR, plus any 2 optional papers. So depending on the student's choosing a sector or career path, the student can choose any 2 of these 4 papers. So in all, we have 13 papers. 13 papers. So the ACCA qualification exams is made up of 13 papers. 13 papers. Now, how long does it take to qualify? And I know even at these initial stages, you are already thinking how long it will take you to qualify. To answer this question, It depends on the qualifications the student have before they register with ACCA. So some students with relevant qualifications can have exemptions. And if you do not have a relevant qualification, you need to start from the applied knowledge exam level. Now, the quickest way to become a member is to work and study at the same time. And if you are able to work and study at the same time, you can qualify in as little as 3 or 4 years' time. Again, it depends on your hard work. Now, the next question is there a time limit? Is there a time limit after which you cannot qualify? The answer is that for the applied knowledge and the applied skills exams, the students can take as long as possible to pass these exams or these papers. However, when the students reach the strategic professional level, they have 7 years from the last paper to complete their exams. Now, what does this mean? It means that when the student gets to the strategic professional level and have written a paper, for instance, strategic business leader, that students have 7 years to complete the remaining papers. What it means is that after 7 years and the student is not able to pass the remaining papers and the student is having several papers remaining, that student will lose the SBL paper. So we call it the 7-year rule. So if after 7 years you have passed a paper but you are not able to pass the remaining papers at the professional level, you lose the paper you have passed 7 years ago. And that is how the 7-year rule applies. So the 7-year rule applies on a paper by paper basis.